Welcome to another episode of Space Engineers. This episode, we're going to finally get to welding up the rest of the grinders, which is 1,620 more to go. Now, before we get that going, I added 2 more assemblers with 4-speed modules each. And the reason is, we need a few more components. Now, let's do this. There we go. Ooh, there it is. Oh yeah, you know what? Let's do this. The refineries, they're slowly, finally ticking away at the rest of the cobalt. I evened it out to 2,000 each. It worked out really nice. Now, the reason was, I went out and made another iron ore run. And I know it's in here. There. Topped it off to 814,000 kilograms of ingots. Okay. Now, to get this stuff going, we have these grinders. 1,620 more that need to be welded up. Excuse me while I move my mic here. Sorry about that noise. Taking into consideration these components, because we're going to need steel plates, large steel tubes, computers, and motors. 1,620 of these. Okay. And construction components. That's the other stuff that we needed. We roughly need extra 31,000 steel plates, 37,600 construction components, 1,500 large steel tubes, 5,100 motors, and 2,700 computers. I was thinking about just doing 1,620 of these, but it's not taking into consideration this stuff. And I would like to use some of this stuff up. Well, I like to use all of it up. So we'll come back into here. Oh, let's do this. Where were you? Right there? There it is. Okay. Here we go. 30,700 steel plates. And excuse me why I talk out loud on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, I guess I could just go to 37. And then we need another 8, we'll call it 700. Oh, I think that was like 700 there. Okay, construction components. Where are they? There they are. Oh, you know what? Let's make sure all of them are doing their thing. Yes. All right, nice. Okay, they are. Oh, and I forgot to rename them. All right, so there's that. Construction components, 37,600. 37,600. And just a few more just in case. 1,500 large steel tubes. And we'll make, actually it's 1,520, and we'll make a couple more. 5,100 motors. 5,114 actually, but you know what? Let's go to 3. There we go. Computers, 2,727 of them. So let's go 1, 2. 2,700 and 1, 2, 3, and we'll throw in 10 more. Okay. Wow, look at that, man. Yeah. Yeah, we 232 plus another 100,000 on the iron ingots. I believe we're going to be A-okay with it. Yeah. Oh my God, it's just chewing it up. Look at that. Yes. Okay. So while we are waiting for all of that to be made, and it will all be deposited here into this container, which is, oh my god, my computer's not handling it too well. Components container. And there it is. It's just getting all sucked up into there. So we have 20 sets of pistons, 7 pistons each with a welder at the end. I did put a few supports, not spread out evenly, but it's there just in case. Which it looks like it's going to be doing really good. We shall find out. Now, the only thing is, this group right here was not going to get these guys right here on the end, because they'll get one in the center, one on the left, and one on the right as they go on out down that way. So I went ahead, I welded all of these guys in, and I believe they would not get this last row here either. So I welded all of that in. And yeah, I kind of, oh, there we go. Yeah, I just kind of welded up those other supports just in case, Ooh, that almost looked like a camera right there. Cool. Okay, now, that still blows me away. 1,800 grinders just to get this thing done. Oh man, this, as far as designing, well, I should say engineering and putting together, it was a lot easier than I think getting our overhead crane to lift this up, bring it over, and then drop it down. Well, not drop, but lower it on down. Now, with this guy, now I'm assuming since it did crash land, that all of this should be on top of the ground, where none of this stuff is being poked into the ground and the ground is holding it. At least that is what I'm hoping. Oh, look at that. See, I can go around and make it all nice and pretty, but no. It's gonna all get ground up anyways. And plus, I think I'm actually getting, yeah, I'm getting scrap metal. Now, it's gonna be interesting too to see if the scrap metal, while we're grinding all of this, does end up, oop, there we go, does end up back in there in the components section. Now, thank you, Phil. He pointed out and asked, hey, there's no way for this stuff to come from the welders to go back to the components. Well, I wanted to wait until I got all of this welded up just to see where everything was going to go and be laid out at. And then, oh, those lights right there kind of freaked me out. I was like, what the hell is that? Not used to seeing it from the side. Well, I'm sorry. Okay, distraction. You know what? It's time for a sip of hard Mountain Dew, Baja Blast. There we go. Okay, so with that in mind, I would like, well, all of the components are going to be coming back in here into this container. Now, the thing is, I should have had it twisted to where it would be coming out on this side. However, if I have to, I could get to it underground. You know, or I don't know, or maybe pop it in right there to where it just sucks all the components. But if we go with, if we go with this conveyor sorter, because it's sorting components, it would just be an infinite loop. It would put them in here, suck them back around, and pop them back in. It would go on and on and on forever and ever and ever. So that's kind of a no-go on that one. I could, probably what I'll end up doing is, oh man, but we see we got that. I'll probably put some storage containers off in that direction. Yeah. I got to think about that some more. But, you know, and Phil, thanks for bringing that to my attention. I appreciate it. Okay, now, what I would like to try to do, because obviously, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but these bad boys are still going along. And you know what? While I'm thinking about it, let me rename these. So otherwise, it's going to bother me and I will not be able to sleep later on this evening. Okay, there we go. Oh. All right, so production. And let's see a number. Well, obviously, they're still working on these plates. Wow. That's burning right through it. We need 82,000 more iron ingots, 182, 197. We'll call it 231, and we'll call it 232. We shoot, boom. Just double checking everything. 232,000. Oh yeah, we got more than enough. Yeah, and we only needed a small amount of nickel. Even I think it was like 500 silicon. And I'm glad we had this gold so I could make the speed modules attached to here. Okay, boy, I'm kind of going all over the place. It's been a while in between recordings. Ooh, we do have hydrogen in here. Oh goodness gracious. Oh shit. Now the question is, when the grinders hit this oxygen tank, will it blow up and destroy whatever's around it? Oh my god. Oh, we don't have any hydrogen, but we got that oxygen tank. Oh, crappers. Okay. We'll find out. Is this ship upside? I think yeah, that's right. Yeah. Holy crap. I had this. Was this ship upside down? I'm looking at that landing gear right there. Holy guacamole. Okay. Oh, and what I thought about doing too was taking a grinder and get rid of all the smoking stuff, but I kind of like it. It's just doing its thing. It's burning, continuously burning. So screw it, it's gonna stay there. Now, I wanted to see what would happen if we switch this to a ship. Okay, so if we go here, info tab, and oh, you know what? Let's oh, wait. Let's do this. Boom. Salvage of the carrier. That's what it is. Okay. I've been there using H to get rid of all the distractions there with the GPS and the ore detectors doing their thing. No. Salvage of the carrier. Okay. And I need to go top off my energy. Boom. Oh, sorry about that, jumping around there like that. There it is. And while we're here, how are we doing on... Oh yeah, let's get that. Boom. Okay, we'll put that in there. We'll get rid of this scrap metal while we're here. And we'll just go right into refineries. Oh yeah, there it is. Now the other reason to get the rest of this cobalt done is these refineries, 560 kilowatts. All of the grinders are going to take 2 kilowatts. So it's going to be roughly 3.6 megawatts to power everything. And I apologize for kind of going all over the place, but just kind of covering everything. These reactors, we got 2 of them, so a total of 30 megawatts each. Why are you pumping out so much? Oh, probably to the batteries. That's probably what it's doing. And speaking of batteries, boom, boom, boom. We've got these guys here at the white lettering. Yeah, so they got 12 megawatts. So we got 48 megawatts. So we should, I think the batteries by themselves would probably do it. But with these two reactors, we should be okay. Now, let's go convert this to a ship and see what the hell happens. Boom. Info, salvage of the convert to ship. Convert to ship is not possible. Let's see. Building a grid partially inside of terrain automatically turns the grid into a station. Stations are more performance friendly, but are static and cannot be moved. You can convert any station into a ship. Be careful that it's not embedded in any terrain, as it might explode. A ship needs to be stationary in order to convert it into a station. Ah, okay. So perhaps somewhere under here, it's gone into the terrain. But that, no. Well, you know what? Oh, no, let's try this. There we go. Let's just do some exploratory drilling and just kind of come under here and see what's going on. Yep. Nope, nothing in there. Are you? Did you get embedded? Oh, crap. Oh, that's drilling that. I don't want that yet. Oh, haha. There's some in the terrain. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So it just took a little things for it to become embedded. Okay, you know what? Let's clear out this side too. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, it looks like that is out of there. So I guess when we did crash land, it became embedded. Okay, you know what? Let's run back up there and see if we can convert this to a ship. All right, boom. Info, convert to ship. Convert to ship is not possible. Okay. And I appreciate the people that are going in and saying, hey, you need to do this to convert it to a ship. But I bet you there's some other stuff that became embedded. Let's just go take a look-see here. You know, and I think there was some people that did leave messages on why it wouldn't go convert into a ship. But for the life of me, I cannot remember what those were and which episode the people left the comments on, which I do appreciate. Oh, scrap metal. Let's pick it up. Uh-oh. Did this, anything down here? Okay. I'm just kind of messing around with this until we get to allowing those components to get made so we can start the welding process. Okay. All right, well, let's go drop this stuff off. Oh, it's getting there. Let's see here. Boom. 40,000. Holy crap. Production assembly. Okay. Oh, this is gonna take a while. I'm sorry. I thought with the equivalent of, let's see, 4 times 5, 20 assemblers, I thought that was gonna be enough to get things going. at a decent time and to get them built. Well, you know what? I don't know if we've checked this section either. Uh-oh, yeah. No, I'm not seeing that. Who knows? Maybe we've got to clear out more here. Yeah, let's do this. I hope there's not like one little pixel or voxel that's surrounding all of that. Okay. Yeah. Come on. There you go. Okay. Give it one more chance. And ooh. Why wasn't I able to go up there? You know what? Let's do this. Oh, that was interesting. Okay. Yeah, see, none of that really looks like it's embedded. Okay. None of this is really looking like it's in the ground. All right. And we got all that. That's not really looking... Oh, sure, I'll take it. Oh, I'll take some of that too, and some of that. Oh, and some of that. Sure, why not? We'll keep this planet green and clean. Oh, probably should get this out of the way, make it a little bit easier to see. Oh, was that? No. Okay. All right, one more time. Let's go see if we can get this. Well, you know, the thing is, too, would I be able to lift this as a station? Convert to ship is not possible. Oh, wait. Do I have to put a control seat of some kind onto it? Oh, in fact, you know what? How are we doing here? Production. Okay, it's getting there. So let's put control seat right here. Let's see here. Let's go here. G to pull up a control seat. And let's go. Yeah, I'm sure we could find something here. Oh, of course it's interior plates. All right, let's go get some interior plates. And yeah, let's take 20 of them. Okay. So let's take this and let's go. Yeah, maybe we can watch the show. Yeah, we'll just plop our butts right there and let it do its thing. Maybe even ride on it. Yeah, as we raise it up and over. Ooh. Yeah. Plop our butts down in here. Maybe we can even control the crane as lifts everything up and over. You know, I don't even know if this control seat stuff is gonna work. Okay. Well, I tried. Or do we have to throw a thruster on there? You know what? What the hell? We got time to work on this, so let's go with no, I don't want a large. Yeah, let's just do this. Yeah, we'll just slap one on here somewhere. Yeah, right there. Boom. There it is. Oh, is that thruster components I saw? Okay, let's go over here and we'll pull up. All right, let's check our builder. Let's see here. Yeah, 80 thruster components. Okay. Yeah, looks like we almost got everything out of there. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and the thing is too, because I saw some gyroscopes. Where were they? They were here. Yeah. Nope. Nope. Okay. Oh, yeah. We are upside down. I know. I saw some. Damn it. When we were flying around here with the oxygen tank doing its thing. Or did I mistake those for gyroscopes? Alright, I'm blind. Oh, nope, there they are. Boop, boop. Yeah, we got a few gyroscopes on it. Okay. Yeah, I'm really hoping one... okay, a couple things. With the...
Energy low.
Oh no, we could turn this off. Boom, toggle block off. The... Oops, hang on, I'm trying to do 4 things at once and it never works for me. Okay. Let's see, we were grabbing all this. What was I gonna say? Damn it, now I can't even remember what it was going to be. There was 3 things that were going to happen. Okay, well, let's stick with this. Let's see if we can get the ship converted. You know what? I just need another sip of dew. There we go. Info. Convert to ship. No. Okay. I'm sure it'll come out. It'll come around. Now, one of the things that I was going to say is the PCU limit. Let me pull up here. Boom. Ignore PCU limits. Within the last few episodes, I hit the PCU limit, wouldn't let me build anymore, and I said it was 1 million that I had the setting at. No, it was at 100,000. I did not know that at the time, and I clicked ignore PCU limits. Well, I went back into the advanced tab on the load screen and changed it to 1 million. So hopefully it's not going to destroy my computer. And I'm hoping when all these grinders kick in and with this being chewed up, it'll be okay. I know there's going to be some stuttering, but it's going to happen. And the other thing I've been thinking about too is, do I just take this and drop it on here and let it do its thing? Or is the weight of it, is it going to start bouncing up and down and then start damaging all these grinders? I don't know. Or do I just manually lower it down ever so slowly? Again, things to think about. We still got some time before this is actually fully functioning, because I still got to figure out how to do. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Yes, hot damn. Oh, no. That's assembler 4. We want assembler 1. Okay. It's getting there. Oh, yeah. How are we doing on storage limits? Oh, shooters. Oh, man. We'll have enough room for now. But, oh my God. Wow. I'm gonna probably put in minimum four of these those industrial storage containers to handle all the components and everything else that's going to be coming out of there. The scrap, I'll probably bring it over and pump it over into this container, and then it can be sucked into the refineries and converted to iron ingots, and then the ingots will be stored into here. Okay. Wow. Oh, well, we've got enough to run one of them. One of these guys. Okay, let's do that and we'll see how everything is going. Okay, so we've done 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to start on number 5. Okay, so number 5 will be the one that we do it with. Okay. Boom. All right, so what I did is I grouped them up all in here into different groups of pistons. So here we are with 5, share inertia. The speed is 0.03 because of previous testing or testing on previous episodes. So that should work. And, oh, you know what we could do right now? I put all the welders right here. Oh, yeah, let's go turn them on and watch them in action. Okay. Where's welders? On. There they go. Oh, holy shooters. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. Wow. Okay. Hot damn. That was fast. Let's see here. 2 times 60, that's 120 less 16. So 104 grinders. And these blocks just got welded that quickly. Oh damn. Okay. Let's take this. Okay, welders are still on. I got to make sure I stay away from those. No, production. We want to check production. It's done. Yep. Okay. Yep. All of it's done. Now, even though I have each one of these individually set, and I was like, oh, I can just hit this and have it go forward, I'm going to grab... Let's do this all. Oh, and maybe if I can spell correctly. All of the square pistons. Let's see here. 7 times 20, that's 139 positions. Wait. 2 are damaged? No! But are they all built? Oh, Betsy. Okay, they're all built. Okay, here, let's boom. Because I don't see anything in the red showing that they're not built. Okay. So maybe they're above the functional line, but they're just not... Oh God, I don't even know which one it would be. Okay, you know what? Let's try this. Let's see if we can narrow it down. 1 damage. Ew, right there in pistons number 1. Okay, let's find it. Yeah, if we're gonna do this, let's do this properly. Okay, boom. Oh, there we go. Okay, that one's done. And number 2. Okay, 7 of 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, just taking my time building these in groups. Definitely helped out. Boom. 14 kilowatts. And why is this saying 0 watts? Interesting. Uh-oh. Okay. I don't... Beats the hell out of me what's going on. Because right here, its input is 0 watts. But everything else has been showing 14 kilowatts. Okay, so... row pistons group 10 welded. That first section. Okay, so group 14 has 1 damaged. Okay, let's go to it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I'm looking on the right hand side, seeing, making sure that they're all welded up. And right there. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? I can do it from right here. Okay, 14. Let's check number 15 now. Number 15. Seven outside of view. Okay, that was interesting. Okay, let's check group 16. Let's do this. Okay, 16. Oh, 8 power input, 7. Okay. Oh, I wonder if it's the welder that was doing it. Group 17? Oh, son of a biscuit eater. Oh, did I double up on that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I did. Okay. And we are in group 17. Okay. I know this is gonna hurt. Oh, damn it. Wait, do I have these numbers at 17? Oh, son of a bitch. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it. Everything is showing that's gonna work, but this is... Oh, but it's missing a piston somewhere. Damn it. Okay, and let's see. This is part of group 14. So this is group 15, 16, 17. Square piston 17. There. Let's do this. And thank you for bearing with me. I did not double check all of this. I guess I probably should have been doing that instead of messing around trying to figure out how to convert the ship. Okay. I've had to do this a couple of times because I forgot to group them before I welded them up, so I know which ones to group into. And I did fat finger this. Okay. Boom. Now we take this. Oh no. Was it 17? Gotta remind myself. Yeah, 17. Okay, and so we should have square piston 17 and group 18. So 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the missing one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So let's get rid of this group of 17. We'll delete it. And then we'll come down here and get square piston 17. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Pistons 17. We will save it. Inertia dampener on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yep, we're good. 7 input. Okay. All right. Let's go to 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so, oh, shoot. What was the one that was showing no power? 10. Okay, number 10. So is welder 10 on? I'm wondering if that's it. Yeah. Welder 10 is on. 2 kilo. Okay, let's go double check. Why was it not? Oh, damn it. Let me count them off again. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And confirm. Square piston 10. Yes. And the groups is piston 10. Yep, number 10. Number 10. Yeah. Oh, it's off. Power is off. So how is this showing with its power? Max power 2000 watts. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, let's check this out in group 10. Pistons 10. Oh, they're off. Let's turn them on. There we go. Yes, nice. Okay, let's double check. One. I'm just clicking down one at a time and checking to make sure they're all putting out 14 kilowatts. Uh-oh. Group number 8.
Low.
Oh, group 8's missing one. Okay, group 8. Ooh, I am nervous right now because I want to do this correctly the first time, and hopefully it goes. Okay, was it group 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and confirm. Square piston 8. Yep. And we'll do the same on this one. And it's group of piston 8. Group of piston 8. Groups piston 8. I guess, oh, this would have been a lot faster if I just did this. And group, okay, so we've got all of them here. It's just that they are not all in the group of pistons. Okay. I know this is not my typical episode, and I really wasn't expecting it to be like this. So, I have no idea what I'm going to title it. But as fast as it went with the welding, I think we're going to still have time to weld all of these up in one shot. Boom. And again, my apologies for not having all of this set up beforehand. Square piston 8. Square piston 08. Okay. All right. Boom. Let's come up here. 6 outside of view. 7. Oh, but it did have 7. 6 outside of view. Okay. 9. Let's just double check. 6, 7. Oh, outside of view. That's what it was. They were outside of view. Okay, here I am panicking for no reason. Okay, looks like we are a go. Welders are on. Let's see, how much power do the welders take? They take 2 kilowatts, and so 2 times 20 is 40, so that should be 40. Yep, okay, all of them are on. Boom, we are good. Okay, let's get back over here. Whoa, man, that was pretty trippy. I am so nervous right now. I hope all my calculations on my components were correct. If not, we'll just have to do it again. Okay. Let's get all of these square pistons. And here we go. 140 of them. We've got all 140 of them. The velocity is set at negative, but we want it positive, so let's reverse. And here we go. Holy shit burgers. Okay, I'm gonna let this go for a bit. Wow. kind of hard to see on the far end, but it looks like it is welding them up down there. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I gotta relax. It takes the one in the center, welds it, and then it does the two on the outside. Okay. Drink. Oh. So, looking like the ones there at the far end are going really super fast. No. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Well, as long as you're welding, that's okay. Holy shit. What are these pistons set at? Okay. Oh my God. What the hell happened? Oh. Oh. 17, we need to change those speeds. Okay, group 17. Boom. 0.03. Boom, there we go. Okay, well, it wasn't quite even all the way across the board, but at least that 0.05 may have been okay. Wow. Okay. This is looking better. I can't quite get everything in there. All right. Sorry about that flying around, but... Oh, and it did miss. Here I am pointing at the monitor. If you look at some of the ones down here on the bottom, 17 did miss it. There you can just see 3 of them right there on the edge. Okay. Still, it's cool. It's cool. Oh, that's because I regrouped 17. Ah, son of a biscuit eater. Overall, I'm still calling this a success. And what I'll do is, when we retract them, it'll double check and make sure that everything did get welded. And we can check for components back in the container to make sure that it did get them. Uh-oh. Why aren't you on? You're supposed to be on. Oh, you are. Oh, that's right, because these are going straight out and the other ones are going at an angle. I apologize. I know everybody wants to watch the welding. I do. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, I hope that didn't come out on the mic. Wow. I didn't even check the time on when we started. I don't know, what, 5 or 6 minutes now it's been going at it. And it looks like row 17 is going to be the winner. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Oh, excuse me. Wow. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I wish my knee was out of the way. There, we'll get it out. Oh. Again, thank you for everybody for hanging out with me during all of this. Oh my gosh. Wait, everybody's been catching up. Oh, 17 was just gonna make it before everybody else. Okay. Yeah, we'll get the ones there at the far end, at the right. And you know, when I was flying around with everything welding, it wasn't that bad. I really didn't notice anything. Any performance loss. Okay. There it is. 1,800 freaking grinders welded. Ah. 1,800. Oh, jeez. Okay. Let's check the components. See how everything is doing. Okay, we've got plates. Boom. You know what? Let me tap in. Let me produce another 100 motors just in case. All right. Oh, what happened? Oh, you should be pumping it out faster than that. Or did you pawn it off? Or did I only do 10? Yeah. Okay. So production. Okay. Well, now there's 100. Oh, I fainted. I was like, we should have had enough. Okay. Inventory. Okay. Boom. We got plenty of those. Large two. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 components. What else are we missing? Oh, computers. Okay, computers. That's good. Oh, no, well, the computers are needed. Or did I do it exactly? Okay, let's make 200 more computers. There we go. Okay, we got all of that. Control panel. Let's go back to square pistons. We'll grab them all. And now we will reverse. And this will double check to make sure. Oh, you know what? Oh no, we got to leave the welders on. Oh my God. Okay. What, this 10 minutes or so? 8, 6, 7, 8 minutes of watching all of this do its thing was worth the hours of going in and doing this. You know what? There, screenshot. Wow. Wow. This is one thing I like doing inside of games, is just sitting there and watching things do their thing. Like in Satisfactory, when I was having to let the mini factory, well, the factories run, I could just sit there and just watch all the items go through the belts. The constructors doing their thing. Oh man, oh yes. Manufacturers doing their thing. Okay. This is Space Engineers, sorry. There it goes. Wow. Okay. I do not want to get very close to these welders, because yeah, you can see the little red lines around the ring there. Oh yeah, they would hurt. And they're all hot. Okay. Oh, love it. Look at it. Look at it all. Oh, and see when 17 comes back, it should weld these guys up. In fact, you know what? Let's hang out up here. And shoot, we can't even see where it's at, can we? Oh, you know what? I should have timed it to see how long it took to come down. Oh no, that we got a hell of a ways to go for it. Okay. Let's check the inventory here. 400,000. Yeah, we got some. Oh, we even have enough to make a large reactor, but not enough silver. Okay, how are our batteries doing? Oh, didn't even affect it. Oh, hell yeah. Wow. Okay, why'd we wait for it to retract and get those last, was it 6 or 9 grinders that were over here? How many was it? 9. Yeah, the 9 grinders right there. And what are they missing? Oh, nothing. They just need to be welded. Okay, cool. Everything was deposited. Hot diggity doggity. All right. Now, just rambling here at the end of this episode. The throughput limit, it will be the sorters grabbing components from these. Boom, boom, boom. Now, these grinders, they have... In fact, let's do this.
Energy low.
They have ports on all 4 sides, but I think it's time to go charge up. Yeah. Oh, 2% left, yes. There we go. Bink. Okay. Now, they have the access ports on all 4 sides. So, if we just connect to one of them, it will take everything out. But, let's say you can only grab like, I'm pulling this number out of my butt, like 25 per minute items per sorter. So if we have 1 sorter, it'll be 25 items. But if we have 4 sorters, it'll be 100. And so on and so on. So the more sorters we have, the more throughput we'll have. So, yeah. I don't know what we've got 60 rows of welders or grinders. God, I'm so used to dealing with the welders over there. Gonna have to think about how to do this one. I don't know. Maybe 1 every 10? Maybe 1 every 5? I don't know, man. Because, well, see, these guys... see, I think I welded these guys back up. Yeah, these are... No, these are light armor blocks. Oh, this is the bottom of the hull. Okay, is this... Yeah, heavy armor block. Yeah, see... 150 steel plates total and 50 metal grids per block. And there's a few blocks on there. In fact, let's see here. Get a rough estimate of how many blocks. Just stuff to think about in between episodes. Non-armor blocks, 254. So, what is this? Total 2,000 blocks, less non-armor blocks of 254. So, 1,800. Rounding off. Yeah. Okay. Let's just see if we can do it. No. Okay. Wow. Wow. And this should have done this one. Yes, it got them all. Okay, let's turn off the welder so I don't accidentally kill myself one day. Let's do this. We'll come back here. And they are all retracted. Welders. Off. And... No, we can just leave it like that. I was gonna put all the pistons at 0, but we are good. Oh my god. Okay. Since all of them are welded, you know what? That's an awfully damn cool. Let's do this. There's another screenshot. There it is. Let's do this. Let's turn them all on and see what the power does. Oh my god, approaching an hour for all of this. Okay. Oops. Let's see the ones we can. And grinders. Oh, it's not showing. I was gonna hope it was gonna show all of them. Bastards. Okay. C'est la vie. So let's put it in grinders. And we'll save. Okay, then let's go here. Back to control panel. Turn that off. Grinders. Oh, sweet. Oh. That was loud. Oh. Wowza. Look at all that. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's some stuttering going on. Oh, oh, Betsy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god. There's a deep hum going on also. Boom. Damn it! I was hoping it was gonna show all of them. Man, that totally bites. Okay. I wonder if he exceeded the item limit with 1,800 grinders. A 30 by 60 pit. Yeah, baby. Okay. Wow. There it is. All right. Thank you for joining me on this journey in Space Engineers. And as always, enjoy life and be safe. And drink the dew.